This is a Sansui SMS-525 from Q10. Upon receipt from the supplier opening up, I noticed that the glass panel in front here is mouldy. You can see the mold behind the panel, so apparently this is not a brand new unit. I have the USB here. This remote, initially the forward button doesn't work, but now it seems to work. I on. Okay, so this is the first music. I press the forward. Okay, you can go to the next song, and then reverse is okay, but then now I think the mute is not working. See, when I press the mute, it doesn't respond. So some of the buttons are not fully working. Okay, and then all the front panel here, all the button, function button, all doesn't work. I press. This is supposed to be next song. Press the next song. Press. No response. Reverse, also no response. Pause, also no response. Change mode, also no response. Stop, also no response. So apparently this whole panel here is not working. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.